day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Apple Watch here, and this time we are going to have another review of a useful application for Apple Watch. For those who have an Apple Watch and lovers of coffee, I think this video is for you. Watch our video review for a very useful and cool application for coffee drinkers. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video review, especially for the Apple Watch, just drop the comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start. Again, the application for our Apple Watch 6 for coffee drinker is the HiCoffee, as you can see here. If you want to install this one, just search it on the App Store. Okay, so we have here HiCoffee. Just search HiCoffee caffeine tracker. Okay, for example, HiCoffee. So there are other caffeine tracker or coffee tracker here, recorder. So we have here our application. This is what we want, the HiCoffee caffeine tracker. And as you can see here, okay, it has a very good review here, ratings. And there's a support for Apple Watch, as you can see here. Okay, iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch apps. So this is the UI of the application, and it is just 68.9 MB. So we already downloaded the application, and this is the app here, HiCoffee. So this is a free membership. Okay, we have here an option to sync the data to your Apple Watch. And another good thing about this one is that it has its own watch face for the coffee. Okay, so we have here the widget style. You can choose orange, and we have some charts. Okay, let's explore first the UI here of the HiCoffee. We have here Apple Watch faces, so you can pick what is the watch face that you want for your smartwatch. Later on we will try this one and see whether it works. So we have here some widget, log, style, charts. We also have today, and you have this one. You can add your own drink. Okay, we'll try to show you later on. And this one, as you can see, it has several brands and beverages for the coffee. And some of these are free for you to use, but some needs a subscription, I think, or a in-app purchase. For example, you want Nescafe, as you can see here, unlock premium membership to access all the brand data collected by HiCoffee. If you want to test it out, the smartwatch has a free option. As you can see here, what we have is the free, okay, app. Okay, so we did not yet subscribe for this application. What we have right now is the free option. Okay, for the Apple Watch here, this is what the watch face, okay, for our HiCoffee. As you can see here, we have the total caffeine intake. You have the app here. When you download the application on your smartphone, it has an equivalent app here for the smartwatch. Let me show it to you. Where are you, coffee? We have here the HiCoffee. You tap on it and we have here the coffee that we already taken day. As you can see here, we have the data, and you can also add your own, as you can see. Okay, just pick the beverages or the coffee that you drink or you are drinking, then tap on it and it will be added here. Okay, so let's check on the watch faces. So let's go to our app, HiCoffee. Okay, so we have here Apple Watch faces, as you can see. Just go here on the Apple Watch faces. The watch face requires an Apple Watch with watchOS 10 or newer version. So this one will work with your latest smartwatch. We have here for the watchOS 9. Okay, add Apple Watch face. Add to my watch faces. As you can see here, we have the modular. So we can also use this one. Some of it might not work depending on the operating of your smartwatch or of your Apple Watch. So we'll pick this one. Let's see if it will work. Okay. So let's check. Set as current watch face. As you can see here, we have a different background. Let's try this one. But the problem with this one, the caffeine, the intake is not showing. Let's check. Okay, we have it here. Then let's pick other options here. Caffeine level, and we have here the UI or the watch face. Then set as the current watch face. Let's see. And we have here the design or the watch face. Okay, the style of the watch face. Very good. And another one to add, okay, the caffeine intake, just tap on add drink. Okay. There's also an option here on the smartwatch as we have shown you earlier. Just tap on this one. Look for the beverage. So this one you need a subscription. For us, we'll just pick latte. Then, how large? Extra large, small, medium. I think the option here are medium, large, and extra large. Then, let's see if we can decrease the value here. Milligram, 150. 75. Okay, then add log. So it has been added here. Okay, so let's check. So we have here 128 over 100. So we have here the caffeine intake. It's a pretty cool application for those who wants to check on their caffeine, okay, usage or intake. And you can also set it here. No need to access on the main application. As you can see here, you can see the data right away on the watch face. Just tap on it and you can open the app directly, as you can see. Okay, syncing progress. Again, the application is the HiCoffee. Okay, an application available for Apple Watch and intended for those coffee lovers who want to monitor their caffeine intake. So again, if you have any questions regarding the Apple Watch app review, especially for the HiCoffee, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time.